Milwaukee Torquelock vice grips, we call them in Australia, but of course that is a brand name owned by Irwin. So I needed a set of vice grips for the car. These Milwaukee ones weren't actually that expensive, they were $38 for the pair. So for something with the Milwaukee name on them, I thought that was pretty good. I suspect that will be an indication of their quality, really. A bit of a Milwaukee fanboy, you've all seen my Milwaukee drill, and of course my fake Milwaukee, which everyone seems to love the most of all. I did change the blade in this since the last time you saw it, so these really don't want to come out of here. Funnily enough, just while I'm working on my Irwin table here, I saw a thing on one of those "you had one job" things, where someone had one of these with a sign on it saying capable of holding 1,000 pounds. This one's got 500 pounds on it, and it collapsed because, as I recall, these take 150 kilos, which at 2.5 is just over 300 pounds. So yeah, you know, you got a problem when the people setting up the displays don't know anything about the products. Well, they certainly didn't want these to come out of here. You got the bugger, they've actually got a crimp right there. So the big one offered a bit more leverage and I could get it. The small one's a bit more difficult. Okie dokie. Now, as I say, over here in Australia we call these vice grips, but that is the Irwin brand. It's the Milwaukee Torquelock. It seems to be exactly the same, except for this nifty thing here, and I guess you can put a screwdriver through it to really crank it down, but I don't know, these did pretty well in Todd's comparison over on, oh gosh, I can't even think of what it's bloody called now, something farm. Anyway, we're going to test that. I'll think of it in a moment. I can't remember. Project Farm, of course. So what have we got written on here? Anything exciting? Torquelock designed for greater leverage and control when engaging locking pliers. Always with eye production. Engineered by Milwaukee Tool, professionally made in Taiwan. One of the things I did notice when Todd did do his evaluation was that some of them are welded here and some of them are just pressed. Now, they kind of look like they're welded, but there's still a groove there like it's just pressed. I would think if you'd welded it, you wouldn't have bothered grooving it out again. but I guess. But for everything I'm going to do with these are going to be fine. I have Irwin vice grips. I have vice grips that my dad bought me at Big W for $5, $6 I think they were when I was 16, and I'm 53 now. You know, the sort of use I put these things through, I'm never going to be using a press there to press them shut. So for me, these are really just a pretty thing to put in the toolbox. I'll use them one day, and I'm sure they'll perform perfectly.